Hi, it's me, Angharads from Angharads Live. I'm really excited for today's video as we're taking you all along on our 3, 2, 1 road trip. Hello, Sarah.
Sarah's excited as well.
She is. So we thought we'd take you all along with us with some of the scenery, and of course, there's some service stations that we stop at too.
That's right. Left Anglesey, now in Gwynedd. It'll be a while until we're out of England.
Yeah.
And then we'll be stopping at one of the services so Sarah can stretch her legs as well, won't we?
And we're going to get some treat too.
And we'll get something to eat. Yeah,
We're going to look around first.
I think that's a very good idea.
See you all the services.
See you soon.
Bye.
We got good things coming. Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover, agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover, agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. A bigger scale, the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover, agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover, agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all.
We are now at Chester service station for a nice stop and some food.
You're not gonna leave your side. Just feel free to open up when the moment's right. Across your face, it is written across your face. If you wanna go out, we can go out. You can hide away just for one night. But if you wanna cry, just let it out. I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down, I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain.
What have we got from the young man?
There. Baked fries.
Of course.
Burger.
Lovely.
The Brazilian chicken, isn't it? Ooh, it looks lovely.
It sounds amazing, doesn't it, man? Right at first? Smells amazing, man.
It really does.
Wow, that's so good. There's so many wonderful flavours. I love the beans as well. It's nice and warm too. The rice is lovely as well.
They're really good, aren't they?
The waffle fries are always amazing, aren't they? Should we have the burger now?
It's a great idea.
Smells incredible, doesn't it?
It does. Wow, this is really lovely on vegan burger, isn't it? The only thing is it's always messy.
That is so delicious. Enjoy that one.
I think it's a great idea.
Back in the car. Oh my gosh, that Leon was so delicious, wasn't it,
It
man?
really was. And the Brazilian black bean, that was so good.
It really was.
It's just a shame we don't have a Leon anywhere near where we live, isn't it?
No, because that's the closest one to us.
That's it. But we enjoyed that. Back on the road, back at the M56.
Yep.
And
See you all on the next services, but on the way we'll show you some more scenery. But we thought we'd keep the destination secret for you all until next Sunday.
that's a good idea. It'd be good if people put in the comments,
Yeah?
wouldn't it, where they think we're going.
We'd love to know in the comments where you think we'll be going.
But Chester Services, the Leon was fantastic, wasn't it?
Was.
But Double H Smiths, for vegan sandwiches,
Spa?
Spa,
Nothing.
nothing.
Costa?
Nothing. I asked them and they said they haven't got anything. Nothing at all that's vegan.
Lovely.
There was just that one other place next to
door
Leon,
to Leon.
which we took a little video of the sandwich they do. They also did say they could do plant-based, like sausage
Yeah.
bap, plant-based bacon bap, but not saying if it was cooked in a vegan way. So
Leon it was.
Leon it was, and Leon we enjoyed.
So it was lovely. See you all at the next services.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. I don't need anybody, I don't need anybody else. No one will ever take me, no one.
Here at Costa, just got my drink, the blueberry bubble frappe with a vegan cream on top.
It was really good at the vegan cream, wasn't it?
It was so lovely.
And I've gone for
Mango bubble tea.
the mango bubble tea, that's it. And Dad's had a...
Soy latte. This is so delicious, Mum. Can you try it?
Oh, thank you. Do you want to try mine?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Oh wow, that's really lovely.
Oh, I love yours.
Nice and refreshing, both of them.
Yes, definitely. Really refreshing.
Sarah's having a nice relax as well.
Oh, she is.
It's really good that they've got the dog walking areas here.
I know, that's amazing. Sarah loved it too, especially doing some of the touch games as well.
That's it.
Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Comments review help a lot too, and we always love hearing from you. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing under the video or at the end of the video. It is free, and press the notification bell to be notified when we post new videos. This time in the comments, we'd love so much to know where you think we're going on our holiday.
Great question.
We thought we'd leave you all here, and then we'll see you all again here next week.
Oh, this is our holiday then, isn't it?
No. We'll see everyone here for the video next week to find out where we're going. We really hope to see you all here again very soon. Bye. Take care. And bye from Sarah too.